All right, 8th grade English. This is your bell work for week 13 on transitions. All right, with this week's bell work, we're dealing with some transition, but we're going to identify them as either time, size, space, importance, or chain link. So when we come down here with time, we got to think, that's pretty self-explanatory. Size is pretty self-explanatory. Space, it's kind of like direction of where it's at. And then you have importance, or you have chain link. And chain link I'll talk about once I get going on here a little bit. So if I said at the beginning, that usually means time. Let's try that again. Now, if I said most important, obviously that's important. I'll come back and get number 2. Smallest, that is size. If I said beside the book, that's like a direction, so that is space. The next best, that would be like importance. If I said the shortest, that would be size. If I said south of the school, that would be space. And I said it at that instant, that is time. Now, there's 2 of them that I did not mark, and that's what's called chain link. And what chain link, and we're just going to label it CL, chain link. If you think about like a chain link fence, you have this link and then the next link, and you have to have the first before you can put the second one on it. So if I say on one hand, that means you're going to have something on the other hand. So that's a chain link. If I said on the contrary, well, you had to have something else to go with it. So that's where chain link comes in. What I like to do when I'm doing this is time, size, space, and importance are easy to get. I go through and do the ones that I can get of those like that. Then when I get done, I look at the ones that are left and I say, okay, do I have to have something else to go with that? And if you say yes, that means that it's chain link. Let's see, something else with it. Okay, so those are my notes that I gave you guys. You might copy them down somewhere or make sure you come back and refer to the video, or when you're working on the rest of the assignment, you leave this screen up or split screen so you have that to look at. That would be a good thing to do. Now you're going to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.